ஹலோ வணக்கம், வெல்கம் பேக் டு கேமிங் ஸ்பிளாஷ். இன்றைக்கி பார்த்தீங்கன்னா நம்ம மைண்ட் கிராஃப்ட் லெட்ஸ் ப்ளே எபிசோட் 3 பண்ணுறோம். இதில் நான் பொட்டேட்டோலாம் உடச்சேன்னு இருக்கேன், ஏன்னா நம்மளுக்கு அதை சாப்பாடு யூஸ் ஆகும். இப்போ பார்த்தீங்கன்னா நான் இந்த இதில் கொஞ்சம் டிஃப்ரெண்ட்டாக இந்த எபிசோடில் ஒன்று பண்ணலான் இருக்கேன். இந்த டப் பண்ணுறது பார்த்தீங்கன்னா இங்கிலீஷில் கொடுக்கலான் இருக்கேன். ஓகேவா, இப்போ ஸ்டார்ட் பண்ணுறேன். இப்போ பார்த்தீங்கன்னா நான் இங்கிலீஷில் இதுலேருந்து பேச பார்க்குறேன். உங்களுக்கு இங்கிலீஷில் பேசுகிறது பிடிச்சிருந்துச்சுன்னா கமெண்ட் பண்ணுங்கள். நான் அடுத்த வீடியோலேருந்து இங்கிலீஷ்லேயே பேசுகிறேன். வெல்கம் பேக் டு கேமிங் ஸ்பிளாஷ். டுடே we are going to watch Minecraft Let's Play series episode number 3. We are going to the cave so that we can get some iron armor. In that old cave we did not get any of the iron armor, so that I am very sad. But if we got iron armor I will be very happy. And I saw a cave here in the starting, so that I came here. I have this cave looks promising that it have diamonds, so it also have iron, so it also should have diamond, so that I am so excited for today's episode. If you are also excited for today's episode, comment below. This is a death hole. If we fall into it we will be dead forever. Not forever, we will respawn. Okay, let's collect the iron. I was trying to do time lapse but I can't do it. If you know how to do it, please tell in the comment box. I will do it. If you have any suggestions also, you can do it. I also have many games. If you want some games like Gears, Rocket League, if you want I will also play and show to you. If you like that I will also put videos on it. If you want, tell in the comment box. If you like this video, please consider subscribing. It is always free. And if you click the like button, it will be more encouraging for me, so that I can put more videos. You can always unsubscribe if you don't like, please. If you want, from now I will not tell subscribing for next video. Let's aim for 10 likes. Okay, we are going lower to the cave so that we can get diamonds, but I did not see any diamonds, but I saw iron. First we should get iron armor, next we can get. But the skeleton is shooting me. I can't get near to it itself. It's accurately shooting me, so that I ran away, otherwise I will be dead. So that only if we have iron armor shield means we will be good. I like it because it will repel the arrows to the skeleton, so that we can be safe. Now I am getting all the hay bales into wheat, so that we can craft food, bread. With 3 wheat we can craft 1 hay, 1 bread. We have 2 stacks of bread. It is more than enough. Now let's go deeper into the caves and search for some iron. And there also is iron and a spider. This goes still down, but I don't want to search and see what is down, because there is skeleton. I don't want to deal with it. Now let's come up. According to YouTube statistics, only small percentage of the people who are watching our video are subscribing. So if you like this video, consider subscribing. I told I will not tell again, but that's the YouTube quote motto. Like, subscribe and share. What can we do? And the skeleton again. That time there was water, so that I can't kill it very easily. Here there is no water, so it is easy to kill. So that I thought that first I will get a shield, afterwards I can explore the cave. So that I taking coal, so that I can use the coal as a fuel so that iron will smelt and I can make a shield and we can become stronger. We need 5 iron, 8 we need 5 diamonds. Maximum 8 diamonds can form. We need only 5. Let's see, this cave has 5 diamonds, because if we have 5 we can use that and make enchantment tables and a diamond pick. If we make diamond pick only, we can make enchantment table. Using that, it helps a lot. We can enchant our armor and we can become so powerful and OP. Okay friends, this video will end in 5 minutes. We can only upload for 10 minutes. We want a flash card, so that if we have flash card only, we can upload for 1 hour. If we have 1000 subscribers, I can live stream, but in our computer also we can't live stream because we did not have the software. But I will see some other ways to live stream from the Xbox. And I am also playing a game called Deluxe RPG. It's the Pokemon game. It's a fan-made Pokemon game. It is nice. If you want, you can search and see. It is free only. It is not in the Play Store. It's a Google game, but it will be pixel, but it will be nice. You can. There is my friend also with the YouTube channel called Gaming Rat and Gaming Gamer. If you want, you can also subscribe for them. He will make Minecraft videos, Crash of Course, I put no that game, and also Among Us videos and more. If you want, you can also see him. And Gaming Gamer, he will make videos but not continuously, but he will anchor a comedy, so that you can also subscribe for him if you like. I am taking iron so that we can be powerful and make armor, and we can mine diamond. With iron pick only we can mine diamond. I have more than enough iron, but then also I am taking iron, because we cannot tell we have in Minecraft, because in the name itself you can understand that Minecraft mine. So that you know that in the summer they have a new update 1.17. In that cave update, it is so super with the cliffs and cave update. I'm just waiting for it. If you also waiting for it, command it. I missed that iron, so that I again came down and took iron. I did not upload for 3 days because I did not have the mood, but I will upload 2 videos daily. Okay, done. Okay, you can put thumbs up emoji if you like this. If you want me to upload daily, means you can put a thumbs up, and if you don't want to me upload daily, means you can put thumbs down in the emoji in the comment box. Yesterday I thought of live streaming, but I cannot do it. I verified my account and I thought that after verifying we can straightly do it. I thought I can do shadow fight from my phone, but what happened then only I saw that we should get hundreds of thousand subscribers for live streaming from phone, but we can also live stream from computer. Yesterday I saw that. My father told the software is not nice, so that I will tell some other ways to live stream. He told, so I told okay. Now I am going and seeing there is something around it, but there is nothing. Okay, bye. If you like this video, comment. Okay, நான் கொஞ்சம் இந்த எபிசோட இங்கிலீஷில் பேசினேன், உங்களுக்கு அது பிடிச்சிருந்துச்சுன்னா சொல்லுங்கள் கமெண்டில். நான் இனிமேல் எப்பயுமே இங்கிலீஷ்லேயே பேசுகிறேன். ஓகே, பாய்.